Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get straight to it. In this video you will see in which direction the price of Ethereum has moved recently. Additionally, you will find out what the technical indicators SMA, EMA, divergence and stochastic RSI are predicting about its price and future movements. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. By looking at the hourly time frame for Ethereum, we can see that the price moved up quickly with around 7.2% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of $2,771. However, the volume wasn't especially high, so this move wasn't very strong. Looking at the hourly simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is above all of the simple moving averages, which looks bullish, and you should watch if the closest SMA, the 200 SMA, could remain stable or the price will dip below it with the current price of around $2,682. Important to note is that the price is currently above the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong support. However, breaking it decisively to the downside will signal a potential big move down. For longer price development, the daily time frames should also be considered, as the shorter time frames are not as accurate. Looking at the hourly exponential moving averages, at the moment, the price is above the hourly ribbon, which can be perceived as bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support. This means that you should watch if the price could bounce off the ribbon. The current price to watch is around $2,628. The ribbon is relatively spread out, so the support should be considered. Moving to the hourly stochastic RSI, the stochastic RSI currently shows no overbought or oversold conditions. But because the %K line is over the %D line, we can deduce that the trend is currently on the up. Moving to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the current price is between the 50 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 2,626, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA, that is at 2,795, could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Important to note is that the price is currently below the 200 SMA, which can play as a strong resistance. However, breaking it decisively to the upside will signal a potential big move up. Looking at the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price went above the 3-hourly ribbon, so you should watch out for the price dipping back below the ribbon, or if it will play as a support to the downside, which is currently at around 2,669. Looking for divergence in the 3-hourly time frame, the price has already gone up owing to the last bullish divergence. Moving to the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, currently, both the %K and %D lines are very high, meaning that the crypto is being highlight bought, and a change in the trend can be expected, or for it to remain at least stable for some time. However, the K line still hasn't crossed the D line, so you should wait to see if the trend will actually go down. Moving to the daily simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, will play as resistance, or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 2,904. Jumping to the daily exponential moving averages, the current price is below the daily ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 3,030. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong, and a trend change could be expected. Looking at the daily stochastic RSI, we can see that the crypto is being oversold because the %K and %D lines are in the lower region. A change in the trend can be expected, or for the crypto to remain at least stable for some time. The K line is currently above the D line, which shows that the trend has shifted to the upside. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.